What's up, guys? Me, Lucas, what's trying to do? Welcome to another Beyblade X unboxing. Here we got the CX lineup from Hasbro. Found this in stores, luckily. I was only able to find this one. This one's the only one left. I think I would have wanted, is it Drawn Brave? I would have wanted that one, but CX is a new generation of Beyblade X. You got 3 parts in the layer now. Your bit lock, your blade I think, and then your assist chip. Or Hasbro call it auxiliary blade. But this Arc Wizard R, the lowest ratchet right now, 455. We'll see how good that is. And then comes with low orb. This is Revolve. That's pretty cool. Let it rip. So this is a starter set. So of course it comes with your little launcher that nobody uses. You got your main parts and your directions. But basically, you put that lock chip and you turn it with your bit. I know the newer Takara Beyblades, they come with a tool now, but this is the older one, so you gotta do it with your bit. Basically it goes in there like that, puts your auxiliary blade up against your other blade, just turn it in. Let's take a look at the parts. Low orb, and then 455. The lowest ratchet as of right now. A little proto launcher. Take a look at the parts here. Ooh. Take a look at the parts. Here's your bit locker or bit chip or whatever you call it. You can change these out for whatever avatar you want, but I'm pretty sure the whole like locking system is basically the same, just different colors and different avatar. Here's your layer. It's not as round as compared to like a wizard rod. It's got 2 little divots in here. It's mostly like Arrow Wizard. It's got the 2 pointed sides. So pretty good for recoil heavy attacks. Not really good for stamina. Here's your assist blade or auxiliary blade. Your codes Revolve. Basically it's super round, and I guess it's aerodynamic as well. Here we got the ratchet 455. The locking mechanism is very interesting. There's no white piece for you to turn. But man, this thing is pretty short. Next up, low orb. It's orb, but shrunk down a little bit. But now let's put our Beyblade together. Blade, auxiliary blade. Goes on like that. Put this on here, just like that. Your little bit. You just go twist it. Clockwise though. You click it clockwise. Now it's in like that. Then you can put your ratchet and your bit on it. CX lineup. Sheesh. Honestly, pretty cool. Alright, moving on to the test battles and test spin. We have Arc Wizard, and we're gonna do a test spin first, and then our battle. See how this spins in the stadium. It's pretty stable, but man, it is kind of tall. We'll see how it does during the test battles. Alright, time for some test battles. We got phase. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, 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 go. 3, 3, 2, 1, go. So now we got the taper on it. We'll see how that does. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That concludes the video. Definitely need a lot more experimenting with this combo. Stock combo wise, it is not that good. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.